Hello guys! Ayan na naman, nag-outfit check si Inday. For today's video, medyo madilim man. Bugsan natin yung ilaw. Char. Go Aura! Char. Don't mind the background guys. Just me. Medyo nakaka-overwhelm lang mag-dressing up. So, for itong gala pala na to guys is galing kami ng clinic for healthy check-up ni baby. Kaya, after kaming nagpa-clinic ay nagpa-aura-aura na muna si Inday kasi sayang naman ang kanyang damit. Kaya gora na. Ayan na nga. Wow. That's it guys. Thank you.